Guys, so for today's video I'm gonna make grilled chicken tacos, guys. So this is my leftover chicken last day, guys. I'm gonna slice into small and then we're gonna make taco, grilled chicken taco. This is how I made it. This is the chicken, the leftover. See, this is gonna be yummy, guys. This is gonna be yummy in the tacos. Lamig ka ni siya nga pagka-tacos, guys, kay kuha na siya gudaan. Grilled chicken. So I'm gonna eat the skin. Yummy ni, guys, in my tummy. Lami sa kuan, panit. Grilled chicken taco. That's for tonight. That's for tonight dinner. You know we love taco, guys. Ooh, it's very yummy. And I'll be back later, okay? So this is the chicken grilled tacos for tonight's dinner, guys. Chicken grilled tacos tayo, guys. Tadang. Guys, ikakuha na ni siya, guys. Ika-upat chicken, grilled chicken. Lamig ka siya, itanawa. Nagaduga ang sauce nga halang. Agay, cilantro. Nya tomato. Agoy, protein siya. Sikis mo. Ang langasan bata. Tomato, cilantro, and onions. Duga. Lamig ko siya.